Hello everyone, welcome to the Hatake Kakashi channel. How are you guys? Today this is the third part of 20 strongest clan. Before we entering the video, please subscribe the Hatake Kakashi channel and click the bell icon for get the notification about the latest update. So guys, let's start. Number 10. Raikage. The people of Komugakure can be odd at times, but they are powerful and intense. Not only do they harness lightning, but they also have the violent 8-tailed beast. Their customs are a bit bizarre, naming their children things like A and B, but they are strong protectors. After all, they dedicated themselves to leading and guarding all the people in their land. Friends, many never fully understand this unique clan, but they cannot deny their powers. Pillar V is one of a very few people who can face off against Naruto. They raise their children resilient and fearless in battle or while performing. Number 9. Aburame. Though the Aburame clan may make some people a little squeamish, no one can deny their power. With a symbiotic relationship to bugs, they can control mass swarms with flick of their wrist. For an onlooker, that can be pretty overwhelming. During this time, as a genin, Shino impressed others with his innate abilities and intelligence. Having bug powers makes being a teacher even easier too. Shino hardly struggles with keeping an eye on them. Throughout, Naruto fans don't get to learn nearly enough about the Aburame clan. However, from what they do know, they are intelligent ninja that pack quite a punch. Number 8. Nara. There are quite a few well-lived clans in Konoha, and few are known of their mission skill as the Nara clan. Not only are they proficient in shadow manipulation, but they also are strategic genius. Even at their legends, they are always several steps ahead. Furthermore, they are part of the Inushikacho, a team that traverses several generations. Shikadai leads his as did his father Shikamaru and his father Shikaku. Konoha wouldn't be the same without their clan abilities. Tactical experts aren't easy to come by in a world full of hotheads. The Nara clan members are natural leaders who make the ninja around them all the better. Number 7. Kazekage. While the Kazekage family could use a lesson or two on parenting, they do raise intimidating and powerful ninja. Gaara horrified any ninja that meet him. His sense power, boosted by his Jinchuriki status, were unlike anything many people knew. However, his siblings were no slouch. Temari could destroy dozens with her fan maneuvers, and Konkoro defectively tricked others with his clever puppets. Despite their family instabilities, it's clear they have inherent strength. Any child from their family is destined to find their own unique powers. If only they didn't save such aggressive tendencies, and of course a flair for deception. Though they have improved greatly, they still have a long way to go. Number 6. Sarutobi. Until the third Hokage, the role fell to members of the Senju clan. When both the men lost their lives, though their friend Hiruzen took over the job. Powerful in his own right, the young Sarutobi became an honored and beloved leader. Not only was he proficient working with art releases, and also working in tandem with his summoned friend Inma. From Hiruzen came a line of ninja dedicated to Konoha. They didn't have the flashiest powers, but they were efficient and intelligent. As a mere child, his grandson Konohamaru was already working on transformation jutsu. Between them Asuma and Mirai, there are few ninja clans more diligent and entirely loyal to Konoha. So that's the end for today. If I make any mistake in this video, so please forgive me. And if you enjoy this video, leave a like and let me know what you think about strongest clan. All of you guys, thanks a lot.